Good evening, my dear friends. Today we will discuss only two formula. First one is and second one is concatenate or concat. So, why we use this formula? It is mostly used when we add two or more data to or more text in one line or in one cell. So, this is most helpful when we are make unique data. So let's discuss. So our client asks, you have to provide all the data in this format. So how can we do these things? So we have only two formulas. First one, let's see. First one is and. With the help of and, we will do. First one is, then we add and, then use underscore. After that, comma. Then select these or without comma we can use and for this one. With the help of and we are doing these things. So now use again and select this one. We get this answer. So now let's discuss. Second one is concatenate. So with the help of concat or concatenate, so first is concat and concatenate. Okay, so we can do these things with the help of these two formula. Same thing. So let's discuss with concat. So firstly, we have to select first ABC, then comma. What we want? We want only underscore. So we use underscore, comma. So in first one we use and, but for the second one we use only comma. Second one, we get the answer. Okay, so with the help of and we can do this thing. With the help of concatenate we can do this thing also. But what is the difference? In difference, we don't use comma, we use only and in concatenate or concat we use only comma. So now let's discuss, okay, how to do these things with the help of concatenate. Okay, select one being cash withdraw, comma. We have to give space. If we don't give, let's assume if we are just select these second one, so there is no space between these lines. That's why there is a, I used space, that's why they make space. If there is no space, so it's don't give you space there. This is, I want to say that. Okay, so now what we can do? So in this thing we only use space. Okay, so here we get the answer. And one more thing, uh, for your, okay, how to make, so we need all the data all the brand name, country, sales, model, megapixel, LCD monitor, optical zooms in this format. Only in this format with the underscore. So how we can get all the things? Okay, we use concat and select first one. Okay, select second one and select third one. So on we can use this thing. Okay, till here. So we get all the format like this, and we add this one. So answer